Hey guys, I'm using Scrivener again for my last video for this unit, which is I'm gonna create a robot. Now, so this BFF.js robot that we're gonna be creating, there are different programs to draw this, and so the design was inspired by Sputnik a long time ago, and so the first program using the drawing functions. So we're going to use the parameters to the fill and like stroke functions, which are gray values, and different functions to get shapes that create the robot's neck, antenna, body, and head. So let's get started and make a robot. This video is going to be super quick, okay? But I'm just going to write the code, but we're going to have fun time making a robot, okay? So let's call this drawing a robot. Okay, so drawing a robot. To create canvas, first we're gonna make this a bit bigger, okay? 720 by 480. And you're like, what? There we go. So next, we're gonna put our stroke weight here. So enter. So this way, you don't have to worry about stroke weight later. You just put it in this part, and you don't have to worry about it later. And then let's put a stroke weight numeric value. And let's do stroke weight of 2. And stroke weight is not defined. And you wanna know why? Here's why stroke weight is not defined, because stroke weight 2 will not work here. You have to put one more line of code, which is the ellipse mode. I'm gonna just write it with me. Ellipse mode. I think you guys have heard of my ellipse mode thing before. Yeah, I'm talking to you guys. We're doing radius. Not clicking. Stroke weight is still not defined. Oh, that's why. I wrote stroke weight. There we go. So now we're good, right? So we got our function drawn and everything, and let's look at our background. This color actually, so I think I can do this time. I've done greens, I've done red, but maybe I can do. I've done some pink colors, I've done some blue colors. Let's do this color. Yeah, dark blue. What if I do this? What if I just do this? There we go. Well, I don't care about the background color. I want a really interesting background though, okay? And then, so our background is done. Okay, I know I'm being a bit drastic here, but stay with me. I think 60 should do it, because I'm gonna be putting a bunch of comments to explain you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Let's start off with the neck. It's gonna be fun, okay? It's a long video, but it's gonna be fun. Neck. A lot of spelling mistakes are gonna come in your way. So stroke, we're gonna write actually the stroke itself. So you're like, but I can just write stroke and I can just put whatever I want inside, and that has to make sense too. Okay, so what? Am I done? I didn't do anything. Well, no. You just wrote a stroke. It doesn't mean anything. Just hit go. So we're gonna set stroke to gray, like that. I'm so glad I can type fast now. So now we're gonna do a line. That's 266, comma, 257, comma, 266, comma, one, one. And there you see it, right there. This line right here, where my mouse is. And now that we all see the thing, the line there. Okay, so now that we finished our stroke thing, let's do another line. I'm sorry if I don't actually post the lines of code to some of them. I just forget sometimes. So if you like, comment it out to me and then I'll share it to you. Okay. Line 276, comma 257, comma 276, comma 162. And then we drew basically an identical line to it. Okay. With not really much. But how about we separate these two lines and we just put a comment in between them, okay? So we did our first line, but this time we're gonna do slash slash right left. And then here right middle, because this is the line that's going in the middle. Okay, so now here, line 276, 155. I'm not even there yet, what am I doing? So after the middle, right line, well, the idea is a bit similar. 286, 257, 286, my code works, and 162. And there we go. Alright, slash slash, and this time we're gonna do the word right. Okay. Skip that. Now, we're gonna be doing the antenna. Okay. Line 276, 155, or 246, and 112. There we have it. So there's our antenna line right there, kind of poking out of there. Actually, it's looking pretty good already. And it's gonna be in this nice colored background. Okay. Our antenna shouldn't take much time. So there's the antenna, the body, and the head. Those are the other parts we need to finish. So we got our first line done. Here, do slash slash. Quite small, because this is the small. This is actually the small line. 76, 155, 246, 112. Yeah, this is the small one. Now let's do the tall one. Line 76, 257. No, 276, 155, 306 and 56. And after the 56 thing, we should be done with that. And then there we go, we get the bigger line, okay? So here we're gonna write slash slash, and you guessed it. Hey Talza, now let's do our last line, which is the medium one. 276, 155, 342, 170, and then we get our medium. Now it's time for the body. Well, let's do it. The body. So first of all, we're gonna be doing no stroke, okay? Because we're just gonna. I'll explain why. Doing no stroke, and I'm going to. So this is disable stroke. Okay, and then the fill, which is 102. Okay, and then I'm gonna set fill. I haven't written anything yet. Set fill to gray. Okay, after set fill to gray, we're gonna be doing our ellipse. And this ellipse is going to be 264, 377, 33, and 33. We're done with that. There's a problem with the ellipse. No one guess what the problem is? As I'm joking, there's no problem. This is still the body. It's supposed to be like this. As a matter of fact, it's all good. Okay, so after set fill to gray, our next comment is the anti-gravity orb. Doesn't that sound interesting? Okay. Next, we're gonna give it a. We're gonna do fill, but we're gonna write 0 in black. Yeah, so we're gonna say we're gonna draw our rectangle now at 19, 274, 90, and okay. So what are we gonna call this? We're gonna call this gray stripe. Okay. And the last part. Yes, finally. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are already tired. The head. Yeah, you should have all gone for the head. Okay, so we're gonna put a 0 fill because we're gonna set fill to black. Oh, I forgot to do comments again. Okay, and then here we're gonna write our ellipse thing. So for now, let's do looking for ellipse 276 115, 45, and 45. Okay, there we go. Those are ellipse. I promise it's gonna look a bit better towards the end. I just did a plain background. I want to look what's gonna like in this color. Okay, let's keep going. That is done. Now let's do a fill. 25. Okay, and then slash. I remember this time set fill to. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a couple more ellipses. Okay, to finish our robot. Okay, dang, I put it all the way at 65. Let's bring it up to like where I can see it. That should do. Oh, here tons of code left, but it should work. Okay, so now we're gonna do the eyes. Okay, so ellipse 228 or no 288, 150, and then 14. Generally, the last two should be the same number. So if I just say that, that means that they're the same. If not, then I'll tell you. And there's the eye. It does look a bit disoriented, a little bit. 288, 150, 14, 14. Well, that should be right, actually. What is this? Is the ellipse wrong? The head? 76. I think there was a problem somewhere. Yeah, this should be 155. There we go. Hang on, should I do like a thing check? Or like, it looks perfectly normal to me. Okay. So now we're gonna be doing our other ellipse.
Oh my gosh!
This ellipse.
How did you draw that?
And this ellipse is this ellipse for the eye. So which we're gonna draw here is so 288, 150, 14, 14. We drew that ellipse, and then so we're gonna do slash and call this the large eye. Large eye. And then that's done. Next, we're gonna do give a zero fill, meaning black. There we go. And then we're gonna do set fill to black in the comments. Set fill to black. Done. Next, let's draw our ellipse. So this ellipse, and now 288, 150, 33. Done. There, done. Okay, so that that is done. Okay, and then we're just below working on our pupil. It's the smaller eye.
Those dots.
Okay, and the pupil is done. Okay, what's next? And then we just gotta do the smaller eyes. Okay, so let's do fill, and then let's say fill 153. Okay, 153 is the fill, and it's about 150, which means set fill to light gray. I forgot the space. Light gray. Okay, so next ellipse. Now we just gotta draw 3 more small eyes, then we're done with the robot. Okay. So 263, 148. No, 263, 148, 5, 5, and there we have it. Our I, the one we just did, done. Okay, so now that's it, right? Yeah. Wait a second, did I draw my rectangles? Oh yeah, okay, then I'm fine. Okay, so now that our ellipse is done, 2, 6, 3, 1, 48, 5, 5, small I1 is done. We have to draw two more small eyes. Okay, so write, slash slash, and then write small I1. Small I1 is done. And then let's probably move this bracket because I need to write some other stuff. Maybe to 62. So at 55, let's write our ellipse. And this ellipse is small I2, 296, 130, and 4. 130, 4, 4. Done. Okay. So this is small I2. Done. Next, let's do small I3. So ellipse. So let's move this to 60. So ellipse. 305, 162, comma 3, comma 3, comma 3, comma 3, and it is done.
You copied the book.
Yeah, I'm copying the book, but I'm not copying the book because it's
But you
pink.
just
It's pink, and there's just some gray. Okay, let's continue. So I think we're almost done. Small I3. And I think, a lot of people will be like, wait a minute, is that it? We've done? I was like, wait a minute, what about some of the body? What about this part? How come that's there? Wait a minute, you missed something. I know you missed something somewhere. What did you miss? I did miss something, you guys, so thank you guys for catching me. Let's read the code one more time. Function setup. Create canvas. Stroke weight. Ellipse mode. Radius. Space. Function draw. Background 145, or really whatever you wanted. Slash slash neck. Stroke 102. Set stroke to gray. Line 266, 257, 266, 162. Left. Line 276. 287, 276, 162, middle. Again, then line 286. Wait a minute. So middle, and then 286, 257, 286, 162, and right. And then we went to the antenna, and then we did a line. 276, 155, 246, 112. And then we did small, and then we did 276, 155, 306, 56, and then we did tall, and then we did line 276, 155, 342, 170, medium, and then we went to the body. So we did no stroke, disabling stroke, fill 102, set fill to gray, ellipse 264, 377, 33, 33, and that was the anti-gravity orb. And then we did a fill of 0, set fill to black, and then we did a rectangle, 219, 274, 90, 100. Aha! I catch your mistake. So here's the mistake, you guys. 219, 200. This should be 257. So let's fix that. 257. Okay, 257, 90.
I knew that was the problem.
So sit fill the black, and then rectangle 219, 257, 90, and 120. Let's try 120. 1, 2, 0. Much better. There we go. So now we got this rectangle
Now
there.
you have to make the line.
So then we have to draw another rectangle, okay, since I completely forgot about it. So we did the 200 or we did the first rectangle 121 and then slash slash or the colon. So I think I forgot some of the body actually. And then so let's write slash slash and then let's write main body. So main body. So the main body's done, you guys. The main body's done. The main body's done. The main body is done. Okay. Now fill 112 should be there. So right fill 102 and that's done. Fill 102 and then set fill the gray.
It just make that line.
So set fill the gray. So slash slash set fill to gray. And then let's move this to 42. Set fill the gray. Or no, wait. And then we have to draw another rectangle. 219. 274. 90 and 6. There we have it. Okay. So we got our gray stripe and let's just move that back. Okay, then let's look at the head. I think the head is good. So head, we did the fill 0. Set fill to black. We did our lips 276, 155, 45, 45. And then we did and then after lips in this fill, do slash slash.
What I'm gonna do his eyes.
Slash slash. And then write.
Hey, did know?
Wait a second, you guys. You guys made a mistake too. So between ellipse and fill, write set fill to black. Set fill to black. I'm joking. So you didn't write slash slash and then just write head. Because you should have gone for the head.
You should have gone for the head.
So we did the fill. We did the fill to white. We did a fill of 0.
Head in the face.
Large eye, so fill to white. So large eye, lips 20. So 276. Okay, so the head was done. And then the fill, and then said fill to white. And then lips 228, 153, 3. And then we did the pupil. And then the fill 153. Said fill light gray. And then lips 263, 145, small eye 1. Ellipse 296, 130, 44, small eye 2. And then ellipse 305, 162, 33, small eye 3. And then we're done. So you guys, I finished by drawing my robot. Our robot's done. And the video's over.